Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix banned account on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.